guys, I hope you're all doing really, really well. My window's wide open, so I'm really sorry if it gets really loud today. Like that van. Okay, so I've got a new hairstyler. This is a Beauty Works flat iron wave bar, I think, and this is a 38mm one, so it's a wider barrel one, and the pictures and the videos look really, really cool. It definitely gives you more of a sort of like loose tousled mermaid wave rather than like a loose glamorous wave, which is what I usually go for. So this is the first time me using this tool, so I'm using the Kerastase resistance cement for me, so basically just a heat protector. Okay, so obviously the difference with this wand is the fact that it isn't just actually a completely perfect circle, it's flatter, so it gives a slightly kinkier curl and a wave. I don't know how this is gonna end up looking, so we're just gonna go with it and see how it ends up. I'm scared. Looks pretty normal. I have been really excited to use this wand anyway, so I actually feel like this is too, I'm going to turn the heat settings down a little bit because I think I want something not quite as springy. So at the minute I kind of feel like they just pretty much look like any kind of curl. They do have the smaller barrel, so this, once again, this is a 38mm one. There's a 25, which gives way more of a mermaidy kind of ish look. I didn't think that one would suit me very much, so that's why I went for the bigger one. I just felt like the other one might look a bit messy on me. Okay, that side's done. Actually really liking it. Really, really, really liking it. I think what might look really cool is if you flip it and do one curl going away and one curl going in, so that's going to make it look really sort of like a bit like more messier and look a little bit like laid back and cooler. There we go. We're all finished there. I quite like it. I kind of hope that I like it more, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I kind of, at the minute, just feel that it looks like my normal curls, but a bit different. I had it on 190 degrees. I'm gonna try it next time on 180. I'm gonna have it on the lowest setting that it has. But yeah, I'm just gonna brush it through and kind of like pull it out a little bit because I don't want it to be as tight. So I'm gonna do that first before we put any hairspray in. Because I think once this is kind of pulled out a little bit, it'll be nice. Once again, this is my favorite hairspray. I honestly rave about this stuff. It's the best recommendation I've ever had. It's really like scummy looking because it's traveled with me all over the world. So this is the only hairspray which has ever kept my curls in like complete humidity that you get in places like Sri Lanka and Bali. Like, oh my god, it's a game changer. There was no point in me ever doing my hair when I was over there because I'd walk outside of air conditioning and it would just go completely flat, whereas this, so good. So yeah, anyway, I probably should use a hairspray which isn't got such an amazing hold if I want the curls to drop a bit, but I'll only put a little bit on. You know what, if anything, I'm gonna kind of just like do shit and mess it up a little bit. There's like loads of heat settings on here. I didn't realize it went down as low as what it does. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm really tempted to buy the smaller one to see what it looks like. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll be back soon with another video, so take care. Waste all your breath.